In today's fast-paced culinary world, having versatile, durable, and aesthetically pleasing bakeware is essential. The Leetoyi porcelain small, oval au gratin pan set of 2 delivers all of this and more, offering an elegant solution for individual or small batch cooking. Whether you're preparing single-serve casseroles, gratins, roasted vegetables, or desserts, these small oval pans ensure your meals are perfectly baked, visually appealing, and easy to serve. Their classic white porcelain design complements any kitchen decor, making them both functional and stylish. The purchase link is available in the description below and in the pinned comment. Premium ceramic construction for safe and reliable cooking. Crafted from high-quality porcelain ceramic, the Leetoyi small oval au gratin pans offer a smooth, bright surface that is not only visually appealing but also easy to clean and maintain. The ceramic material distributes heat evenly, ensuring consistent cooking results whether you're baking, roasting, or reheating. These pans are also designed to withstand various cooking environments. They are oven, microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe, providing exceptional versatility in your kitchen. Unlike lower-quality bakeware that may crack, chip, or discolor over time, Leetoyi's porcelain is both durable and resilient, giving you peace of mind for years of daily use. The material's non-porous surface also ensures that your food retains its flavor while making cleanup effortless. Elegant and functional design. The oval shape of these pans measures 8.7-inch LX 5.3 WX 1.8 H, making them ideal for 1 to 2 person servings. This size is perfect for portion control, restaurant-style plating, or even side dishes for family meals. The double handles add both style and practicality, allowing for safe and secure handling when moving the dishes from oven to table. The classic white finish enhances table presentation, allowing you to serve meals directly from oven to dining setting without compromising on aesthetics. Their elegant design is versatile enough for casual family dinners, festive occasions, or even use in cafes and restaurants. Versatile and multifunctional, Leetoyi's small oval pans aren't just limited to au gratins. Their multi-purpose design allows them to be used for individual casseroles or gratin dishes, roasted vegetables, or single-serve lasagna mini desserts, bread puddings, or baked eggs appetizers, side dishes, or specialty plates for parties and restaurants. This versatility makes them a smart choice for home cooks who value multifunctional bakeware and wish to minimize clutter in their kitchen while maximizing cooking potential. Safe and convenient for everyday use. Safety and convenience are at the forefront of the Leetoyi bakeware design. Oven safe, perfect for roasting, baking, and gratin cooking. Microwave safe, reheat meals quickly without transferring to another dish. Freezer safe, ideal for meal prep and storing leftovers. Dishwasher safe, smooth porcelain surface ensures effortless cleanup. However, it is important to note that these pans cannot be used on direct fire or induction cooktops, making them best suited for traditional oven and microwave cooking methods. Perfect for gifting and professional use. Leetoyi's small, oval au gratin pans make excellent gifts for culinary enthusiasts, newlyweds, housewarming parties, or anyone building a functional and elegant kitchen setup. Their durable, high-quality porcelain and versatile design also make them suitable for professional environments, including cafes and coffee shops for individual portions, restaurants serving baked sides or desserts, catering events for elegant presentation, parties and buffets where portion control matters. These pans combine style, practicality, and durability, making them an investment in both your kitchen's functionality and visual appeal. Ideal users for Leetoyi small oval pans. These bakeware pans are perfect for single or small portion home cooks, families seeking stylish, convenient serving dishes, professional chefs, or cafe owners needing elegant presentation. Anyone looking for giftable, versatile, and durable ceramic bakeware. Final recommendation. The Leetoyi porcelain small oval au gratin pan set of 2 is a remarkable combination of style, versatility, and durability. Designed for single or 2-person portions, these pans provide a reliable solution for baking, roasting, and serving meals with elegance and convenience. From daily cooking to festive dinners, their smooth porcelain surface, double handles, and classic white design make them a practical and sophisticated choice for any kitchen. Whether you're treating yourself to a high-quality kitchen upgrade or gifting a friend or family member, Leetoyi's small oval gratin pans are functional, elegant, and long-lasting, making them a worthwhile investment for both home and professional use. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.